Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can make Google Chrome a default web browser in our Windows operating system. What we have to do here is you have to go to this search and you have to type here default apps. So you can see here the very first one, default app system setting appears. You have to click on this, and once you click on this you have to scroll down and then you can see the option called web browser here. So right now it is set for Internet Explorer. You have to click on this and now the list will appear for all the web browsers which are installed in your machine. And you can see here we have the Chrome web browser here. You have to select this and you are done. So now by default web browser is your Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.